Welcome, my dear students. Today we want to make a final revision on what we have studied in mathematics in the first term. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 5,500,000. As you can notice, there is no thousands here. So I choose the last choice here, 5,500,000. 5 in millions and 5 in hundreds. Okay. Number is a multiple of 6. Multiple of 6, it means divisible by 6. It means in timetable 6, this number is appear as a result. So of course we have 30 because 6 times 5 equals 30. 72 is divisible by 2 numbers. Okay, let's think. 72 is an even number because the unit is 2. We said before, if the unit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it means that this number is an even number. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, what about 3? Let's add the digit. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this number also is divisible by 3. So I'll choose 2 and 3. A triangle of side lengths 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters is isosceles or scalene or equilateral. Here we have the three sides. The three sides' length are different. So this triangle is a scalene triangle. Okay. An isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two side lengths are equal. Isosceles means two side lengths are equal. Okay. An isosceles triangle of side length 2 and 6 centimeters. Then the third side length is, okay, the third side length maybe we have isosceles. So two side lengths are equal. It means the third side length may be 6 or 2. Okay. Choose 6 or 2. In any triangle, the summation of two side lengths should be greater than the third length. For example, if we choose 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is less than 6. So don't choose 2, choose 6. Okay, let's try. 6 plus 6 equals 12, greater than 2. Okay. 6 plus 2 equal 8, greater than 6. Okay, so I'll choose 6. So in any triangle, the summation of any two side length should be greater than the third side length. So I'll choose 6. Isosceles triangle, so two side lengths are equal and the third length will be 2. Okay, so we have 2, 6 and 6. An equilateral triangle of side length 4 and 4, then the third length is equilateral. It means the three side lengths are equal. So 4, 4 and 4. Okay. 2 times 7,000 times 50 equal 100,000 times what? Let's start. 2 times 50. We all know that 2 times 50 is 100. Okay, 2 times 50 is 100. Now I want to multiply 100 by 7,000. How many zeros? 2 zeros for hundreds and the 3 for thousands. So we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then 7 times 1 equal 7. Okay, so I write 7. The summation of measure of the interior angles of a triangle is, yes, 180 degrees. 15 centimeters squared equal how many 15 meters squared equal how many centimeters squared? From meter to centimeter multiply 100, but from meter squared to centimeter squared multiply by 4 zeros, so 10,000. So I'll add 4 zeros to 15. Okay, so 150,000. The highest common factor for 2 and 4. Let's revise. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What about 4? 1, 2, and 4. So the highest common factor here is 2. The value of digit 6 in the number 652,345 is. To write the value of the digit, write the digits, and all the digits to the right will become 0. So we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll choose 600,000. The next one, 1,320,000 minus 320, of course, equal, yes, 1 million. Okay, the lowest common multiple for the two numbers 5 and 10. The lowest common multiple. 5 is an even number, 5 equal 5, 10 equal 2 by 5. So I'll take 5 and 2. 5 times 2 equal 10. So the lowest common multiple is 10. Also, if you write the multiples of 5, you will write 0, 5, then 10. Okay? If you write the multiples of 10, 0, 10. So the common here is 10. Okay, the area of a square. Area of a square means side length by itself or side by side. Okay, the area of the square of side length is 3. It means I will multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Don't forget the area of a square, side length by itself or side length by side length. The only even prime number is, don't forget, 0 and 1 are not a prime numbers because a prime number has two factors. Only two factors. Okay, so 0 and 1 are not a prime number, but 2 is a prime number. The only even prime number is 2. The only even prime number is 2. Because all the even numbers divisible by 2. Except that 2 is a prime number, the smallest prime number, and the only even prime number. The factors of 2, it has only two factors, 1 and itself, 1 and 2. 205 is divisible by, look at the units. We have 5 in the unit, so this number is divisible by 5. It's very easy. If the unit is 0 or 5, so this number is divisible by 5. If you want a number divisible by 2 and 5 in the same time, the unit should be 0. Okay? So here 205 is divisible by 5. The diagonals of the rhombus are, diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular. Yes. Diagonals of rhombus, perpendicular. Diagonals of rectangle, equal in length. Diagonals of a square, perpendicular and equal in length. Don't forget. The measure of any angle of the rectangle. The measure of any angle of the rectangle is, all angles in rectangle are right angles. So the measure is 90 degrees. 7,000 meter equal how many meters? 7,000 meters equal how many kilometers? 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meters. So I'll divide by 1,000. The result will be 7. 9,125,670 is written as, which one? Yes, 9,125,670. The common factor for all numbers is, common factor, yes, 1, excellent. The common multiple, 0. Okay, so the common factor for all numbers is 1. The common multiple for all numbers, 0. 2 meters squared equal how many centimeters squared? Meter squared equal 10,000 centimeters squared. So I multiply by 10,000. The result will be 30,000. Put the 4 zeros, then 3 times 1 equal 3. Okay, the common multiple for the two numbers 2 and 3. The common multiple, it means a number which is divisible by 2 and at the same time divisible by 3. Yes, 6. Okay. 5,000 divided by 25. Okay, let's start from the left. 50 divided by 25 is 2. And we have 2 zeros, so 200. 50 divided 25 is 2. Because 25 is the half of 50, or 50 is the double of 25. Also, you can make a long division if you want. Okay. The perimeter of a rectangle whose dimensions are 4 and 5. Perimeter of rectangle length plus width times 2. Again, the perimeter of rectangle, length plus width times 2. So I'll add 4 plus 5, 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. The area of the rectangle whose length is 4 and 2. Area of rectangle means length times width. So I multiply 4 times 2 equal 8. Okay, so again, the perimeter of rectangle, length plus width times 2. The area of rectangle, length times width. 2 times 4 equal 8. The area of a square, we said before, the area of square is side length by itself or side length by side length. Okay, I want the area of a square whose perimeter 12. I want the side length. So I should divide 12 by 4 because we have 4 equal sides. So at first, divide 12 by 4 equal 3. Then multiply 3 times 3 equal 9. Okay, so if you want the area of a square, you should look for the side length, not the perimeter. If you have the perimeter, divide the perimeter by 4, then multiply the result by itself. 12 divided by 4 equal 3, then 3 times 3 equal 9. Okay, I hope you have understand. Thank you very much for watching and good luck. Goodbye.